and welcome to another Foenix Partners update. Today we're taking a look at an area where global financial markets meet popular culture in the form of football transfers. And we'll be asking the question, has Premier League interest in European players dried up? So taking a look at the most recent transfer window that closed just a few days ago on the 31st of January, the headline suggests that it was the biggest January transfer spend in 6 years. In actual fact, a closer look suggests that it was actually quite underwhelming. Certainly if you look at the spend that people made on foreign players, there are probably only two eye-catching ones in the form of Ndidi to Leicester for 15 million euros from Genk, and also Gabbiadini from Napoli to Southampton for 17 million was the reported fee, 17 million euros. If we look at this though in the context of the transfer activity that we saw in the summer, that was obviously it was a record transfer window, £1.165 billion spent. And that was despite the fact that we were just a matter of weeks after the referendum. The reasons for that was that there was a windfall of cash on the back of the new TV deal, and right across Europe the Premier League clubs were established as having quite a lot of money to spend, and certainly the spending that they did at the end of that transfer window was very much it was the result of months of preparation, months of strategy they've been putting together, and so actually their plans weren't derailed by the referendum. What we're seeing now is huge impact in the sterling euro rate. So setting aside the performance or cost of players, the move in sterling euro has essentially made European players about 15% more expensive. In our view, and certainly the conversations that we're having with our Premier League clients, that really has made a difference in putting companies and football clubs off European players. So answering the question, at the moment, at this stage, Premier League clubs are struggling because the costs have gone up and people in Europe still think they've got lots of cash from the TV deal. In our view, no surprise that we've seen interest in European players dry up from Premier League clubs. So for more updates on this, keep an eye on our blog at foenixpartners.com.